So friends, let's see today's lovely Goan cutlets. Now I am going to use 500 grams of mince or keema, 1 egg, 1 green chilli cut fine, 1 small onion cut fine, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So heat a pan and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get nice and hot. Once the oil is hot, you're going to transfer or add the mince to the oil and we're going to fry it really well. It will change from a pinkish color to a little bit of a whitish brown color. So fry this for a whole minute. Now you're going to add the ginger garlic paste and mix the ginger garlic paste in really well, and again keep on frying for another 2 minutes. We want to take off all the moisture that is there in the mince. So fry this really well. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste, roughly about 1.5 teaspoon, but you can add it according to your taste. Mix everything well, keep frying the mince. Now you're going to add only the haldi powder and the pepper powder, not the coriander and cumin, just the haldi and the miri powder. Again mix everything well and fry for a whole minute. Turn off the heat and now add the lemon juice. Again mix everything well and let the mixture cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, the flame is off, there is no heat now. Now you're going to transfer this to a colander. So I've just put a sieve on top of a pot and I'm just going to add all the mince over there. We're going to drain out all the excess liquid. So press it down with your spatula, put a plate and put some kind of weight and keep it aside for 30 minutes. We don't want the liquid. Now in the meantime, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil to the pan and I'm going to fry the green chilli really well. I'm also going to add the onion once the chilli is fried, and we're going to fry the onion and the chilli really well. So our onion and chilli is fried. Now I'm going to take out the weight and the plate and we're going to discard the liquid. We're not going to use that. We're going to use only the dried up mince mixture. Now I'm going to add the fried green chilli and onion to this mince. Next I'm going to add the coriander powder and the cumin powder. I'm going to beat up the egg very well and add that too. Next I'm going to add a little bit of the fresh coriander. Breadcrumbs. I'm going to use only half the quantity of breadcrumbs now. We're going to use the other half later on. And now mix everything really well together. See that everything is very well incorporated. Now for the breadcrumbs, I just took some slices of bread and ground them in my mixer. Now I'm going to cover this and put it into my refrigerator for half an hour. After half an hour, I'm just going to form small balls like this, flatten them up and roll them in the breadcrumbs. Now I like to make this and keep it in the refrigerator, and whenever I feel like making them, I just shallow fry them. So just form a ball, press it down on your palm of your hand and just roll it in the breadcrumbs. You can use store-bought breadcrumbs or you can just grind some slices of pav or bread in your dry mixer and you get breadcrumbs. You can also toast the bread and then grind it. Choice is yours. And then I just like to put them in a nice glass tiffin airtight container, put some butter paper in between them so they don't stick, and then I like to put them in the refrigerator, and this can last for at least a week or 2 in the deep freezer, and whenever you feel like, just thaw it and then fry it. But today I'm just frying some of them immediately, so I'll show you. So I've just heated some oil, say roughly about 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm just going to shallow fry them till they're nice and golden brown on both sides. Basically our mince and everything is cooked really well, so it doesn't require a lot of cooking. Just fry it a little till it's light golden brown in color. Turn it to the other side, and once it's done, just drain off the excess oil on some kitchen napkin. You can serve this with some lovely ketchup or some nice homemade sauce. Enjoy these lovely cutlets, guys.
And if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.